Now from there, let's go and take a look at the chart of accounts. We have two in BC. Now, out of the box, it only comes with your main chart of accounts, but Enavate also now has a Enavate Chart of Accounts that helps you to see your account structure the same way that you would for GP. So we're going to go to a navigation report so I can show you the chart of accounts list in GP. Now, the key differences where your chart of accounts in BC are concerned and in BC. If you notice, my chart of accounts in BC is set up to kind of look just like a income statement, the way that it's set up and structured. You can indent this chart of accounts if you would like. You could also make it so you're reporting on it the same as you do in GP. Now, GP uses Smart List. I like to use the navigation pane because it's a bit easier. But notice the difference in the two. My chart of accounts here just gives me what the posting types are. If I wanted to add columns to this, let's go to a different. I want to look to see if I can add values to this chart of account list here. All right, so let's go here and customize it. I want to show you. Notice I do not have any values that I can set up and show. I would have to run a trial balance to see that, or create a smart list or Excel refreshable report, and so on and so forth. I could also create a navigation pane for it, but it's a different section within GP. Whereas in BC, I could do this all on one page. So notice how I see my balances. I can see what type of account it is. I can see my category. I can see my subcategories. I can see my posting groups. This is all out of the box. Now, if I show you the Enavate Chart of Accounts, which we're going to go to, same structure as BC, but notice I have my account structure. Now, my accounts in GP and BC are not the same because I did not do the migration. Enavate also has a migration tool to make sure that when you come from GP to BC, that your account structure, all of your accounts, all of your account transactions, all of those are going to come through into BC for you. So you'll be able to see your account set up the same way if you choose to use the Enavate Chart of Accounts. All right. Notice here also, now if I wanted to look at the transactions within the chart of accounts, I'm going to go to a quick window. Let's go to our inquiry in GP. I wanted to see what the details are in each of these accounts. I would have to toggle through. Let me pull up quick accounts. All right. This is your quick view in GP to see what your balances are. Again, you could do that by Smart List. I'm not going to go through that right now. I can also do this on the navigation pane if I wanted to see what my summary inquiries are. In GP, you click Next Change, and you can see, or you click Debit and Credit, and you get to the detail window. All right, these are all of your journal entries. Remember, we talked about source documents and audit trail codes. See, this is my source document, IV80J. All right. So finished goods in BC. Only have one transaction that's in here right now. Notice I can see, again, my account structure, my division. This is my one transaction. And if I wanted to see the entries, I can go to Find Entries. Now, if I look here, journal entry. Right, notice it's kind of the same. See how I'm scaling? Now, these are all of my entries that were made for this particular transaction in GP. If I click on my source document, then it's going to take me to the document that created the entry in GP. Same thing in BC, but it looks different. Notice I can see where the transaction came from. It's going to tell me exactly what it is. But I want you to see here in GP, it only says the source document code. So that means inventory adjustment. Using GP for a while, you would know that. But if you weren't, you would be hard pressed. You would have to click in it to understand what it is. Whereas in BC, notice I see posted invoice, journal entry, and so on and so forth. And I can see how many entries were created. So hyperlink, click on it, and it'll bring me the invoice that I posted to create that journal entry. You could do all of that from the chart of accounts. Now, again, not saying that BC or GP are not comparable, they are. But for me, ease of access is key. So let's go back to our slide. Well, before we do that, let's take one more look at the chart of accounts. I tend to I stay in my chart of accounts just like I stay in my summary window in GP. So I find that if I want to go to another account, I'm clicking, clicking, clicking. I can now redisplay thank you to 18.504 upgrade in GP. Well, in order to get that upgrade, you had to do an upgrade in GP, whereas in BC, the upgrades already happened. The releases happen and they notify you when they're going to do a new release. But if I'm looking at my chart of accounts, I see that I can print my trial balance from here if I wanted to. So your balances, your reporting, same way, or same type of reporting, just a different way of viewing it, different way of setting it up. So in GP, where you have, let's go back over to our main page for our reports. Actually, I could have clicked here. All right. So if we're looking at our reports, if I wanted to print my trial balance, let's just do one, modify. See all the clicks that I had to do to get there? Ton of clicks. You can set up a shortcut to get to this, but I still have to set it up to make it a decent shortcut for me. In BC, I just click trial balance, and now I can set up my criteria. And I can save this. So criteria setup is pretty much the same. I can date it. I can tell it what kind of format I want it to have, so on and so forth. Again, we'll take a deeper dive into that another day when we do our reporting demonstration.